Victoria's Premier warns it could be many months before tough restrictions are wound back as the state government bolsters mental health services to help those struggling through the crisis. Andrea Carruthers is in Melbourne and joins me now live. Andrea, Victoria's state of emergency has been extended.
That's right. It's a strategy that's clearly working. Just 3 new confirmed cases overnight. But the Premier here warns that it's a very fragile figure. But the difficult thing they also see is while staying at home is what's protecting our health system, keeping us safe, it's also something which has seen many people struggle with the isolation. And as a result, well, our mental health services are feeling the strain. So today, the state government here, it's announced an almost $60 million package to bolster mental health services. Where that will go, well, $6.7 million will be going towards phone and online counselling services. $7 million will be going towards helping frontline workers deliver phone and video services to those most at-risk patients to try and help them from relapsing and ending up in our hospitals. There will also be new phones and extra data for those at most risk who do need it to try and access those services, as well as the big one, $17.8 million. That'll go towards 170 new acute mental health beds, and it's part of phase 1 of what was a key recommendation to come out of Victoria's Mental Health Royal Commission. So quite a substantial package here today, and the state government says when we're looking down the barrel of many months ahead with these tough restrictions, it was certainly needed.
We will be dealing with the issues of mental illness and the consequences of responding and beating that virus. We'll be dealing with some of the mental health challenges for many, many years to come.
Meanwhile, it's also been revealed that a man has died whilst undergoing that mandatory 14-day quarantine in a hotel in Victoria. It has been confirmed that that death wasn't coronavirus related and it is not being treated as suspicious. Now, the Premier says that significant support is alleged or reached out to those who are undergoing these mandatory quarantines.
It's really important that we send our best wishes to the family of that person, but I'd say to you that the systems we have in place are being reviewed every single day as the numbers grow, as we see, for instance, our first big cohort of people leaving that hotel quarantine in the next couple of days. We're always learning. I am confident, and I have sought to confirm my confidence in the last 24 hours with all the arrangements we have in place.
Now, just to give you an idea of just how in demand these services are, 1 in 4 people who've called Lifeline in the past week, well, that was due to coronavirus. Beyond Blue, it expects that its demand for its services will increase by 30% by the end of June. So a huge demand there. This support package designed to try and help ease the pressure on Victoria's mental health system. And of course, if anyone needs help, please reach out. Danica.
Andrea, thank you for the update.